Hello, everybody. Namaste. Welcome back to another walk and stretch session with me, Nandini Shetty. I hope you all are doing well. If not, don't worry. This session is going to make you feel better. If you're somebody who's new to this program, let me tell you, it's a very simple, easy program. The movements are not complicated, and it's suitable for all age groups, so you don't have to worry. Okay? I will explain the movements. I will be going very slow. The only thing I would expect you to do is march in place continuously. That is, if you can. If you can, please do that. This way we will get maximum step counts and we'll also burn a little calories. Okay? So this playlist has about 5 to 6 songs. Very simple. I will be going through it one by one and you can join me along. All right? Okay. If you're ready, we will get started with the first track. Like I said, we always start with marching. This is going to be a constant movement. Okay? हम ये movement कभी stop नहीं करेंगे. अगर बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है तो you can obviously take a quick breather. If not, please do this. Okay? चलिए. Okay, मैं थोड़ा पीछे जाती हूँ so that I can walk forward क्योंकि वो movement आएगा अभी next. Now everybody, watch me, walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. Tap, let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. Tap. We always start with our right leg. Tap. Tap, let's go back. Keep going. Let's get used to the movement. Breathe in, breathe out. This is just the warm-up, right? Okay. Small variation coming in. Walk forward and 2 counts. Tap. Right leg. Now, go back. Left leg. 2 counts. That's it. Tap. Tap. Let's go back. Keep going. This way we will get as many steps as we can. We're just trying to keep it a little more creative. है ना? Okay, now in place, walk. बहुत ही simple है ना? हम लोग complicate नहीं करेंगे movements को. This is a low intensity workout. It will not, injure any of your body parts, any joints, no effect. Very simple. Forward, double tap. You remember, right? Go. Let's go. Last few counts, I promise. Okay? Now in place, continue marching. आपने साइड स्टेप किया था, याद है? साइड, साइड. बस साइड स्टेप. और कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करेंगे अभी. Keep tapping. That's it. जितना हो सके आपका जो अपर बॉडी पोस्चर है बहुत क्लीन रखिए. स्लाउच मत कीजिए. कोर, अपना जो पेट है वो ऑलवेज एंगेज रखिए. ओके? आई डोंट वांट दिस. स्ट्रेट इन योर बैक. कोर एंगेज कीजिए. अपना शोल्डर्स वाइड ओपन करिए. फिर लेट्स डू दोस मूवमेंट्स. ओके? लेट्स कीप आवर पोस्चर वेरी क्लीन. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग. Very easy. Same movement. हम लोग forward walk करेंगे. Forward walk. Watch me. Right leg, left leg. Back. Cross it. Right leg, left leg. That's it. Let's go back. Keep going. सिंपल है ना? अब वॉच मी. 1 2 1 2 side travel. That's it. Clap. हो सके तो bigger clap कीजिए. If not, very simple and easy. I'm gonna go for a bigger clap. Very slow. अगर चाहिए तो आप अपना आर्म ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ legs. Now forward again. Forward. Do you remember the step? Tap, tap. That's it. आप लोगों को तो अभी पता है मूवमेंट्स. Two counts. Last one. 1 and 2. Very easy, very simple. अगर आपको breaks चाहिए, breathers चाहिए at any point, this is your session. However you're comfortable, please do that. Okay? You can take quick breathers, take a sip of water, come back slowly. It's absolutely okay. All right? But if you want to do the whole session, that would be amazing. Let's aim for that. हम लोग उसके लिए aim करेंगे. We'll get there, don't worry. Okay? All right. Third song, please. Nice and easy. Breathe in, breathe out. ये भी बहुत ही सिंपल है. Again, हम लोग अपने राइट लेग से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. It's called a V step. Okay? Now watch me. Forward, back. Forward आएंगे, फिर back. Step कीजिए और पीछे जाइए. That's it. Keep going. Now, watch me. Hands out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Very easy. हम लोग को upper body movements भी चाहिए, correct? Not just lower body. Let's go. Stretch. हो सके तो अपना arms straight रखिए, okay? You will feel a little bit tension, but it's okay. We got this. Okay, break. Breathe out. Hands down. Continue marching. So far, so good. मुझे पता है थोड़ा आर्म्स में टेंशन फील होता है, but as important it is for us to work on our lower body, it's as important to work on upper body as well. Very simple V step. इसके बाद आर्म्स आने वाला है, so watch me. Easy. Okay, everyone, hands up. Out, in, out, and in. Okay. Continue marching. बहुत बढ़िया. थोड़ा टेंशन फील हो रहा है हाथ में. Very nice. हम with every one of these sessions हम ये श्योर करेंगे कि हम थोड़ा सा प्रोग्रेस करें, है ना? Even though the movements are very simple, it doesn't mean हम intensity इतना लो रखें कि that even our upper body isn't working. So with each of these sessions, very easy movements, but we'll try and move our upper body and our lower body, okay? मैं फिर से repeat कर रही हूँ. अगर आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं कम्प्लीटली. आपको आपका बॉडी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पता है, आपका कंफर्ट जोन पता है, तो आप अकॉर्डिंगली चूज़ कर सकते हैं आप क्या करेंगे और क्या नहीं. Okay, but if you're up for a challenge, this is very easy, very simple. It will not affect you in any way in terms of injuries or aches. Okay, so yeah. All right, if you're ready, let's get into the next track. So excited. All right, तो ये गाने में हम लोग कोर पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे क्योंकि नी अप्स है. ऑलराइट, वेरी स्लोली वी आर गोना लिफ्ट आवर नी अप. इसके लिए यू हैव टू एंगेज योर कोर. डोंट स्लाउच, ओपन अप. 1 अप अप. ब्यूटिफुल. ब्रीथ कीजिए. अप अप. बहुत क्लीन रखिए मूवमेंट. ओके, नाउ वॉच मी. आउट आउट इन इन. आउट आउट इन. फास्टर. लास्ट फ्यू काउंट्स. ये वी स्टेप जैसे ही है, but it's just in the same spot. We're not moving forward and back. Okay, get ready for knee highs. Up, up, with your hands. Very nice. Don't forget to breathe. Don't hold your breath. अगर ये बहुत ही फास्ट लग रहा है तो स्लो जाएंगे. 1 ड्रॉप. 2 दिस कुड ऑल्सो बी योर पेस. मैं बस बता रही हूँ ये आपका पेस हो सकता है. इफ यू वांट टू पिक इट अप, बस. यू रिमेंबर द नेक्स्ट मूव, राइट? आउट इन. Almost there. Whoop. ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इंटेंस था ना, बट दैट्स ओके. हम लोग सेशन के बीच में हैं तो थोड़ा सा प्रोग्रेस तो चाहिए ही. सो ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट. आपको वाटर ब्रेक्स चाहिए, प्लीज़ टेक अ स्मॉल सिप ऑफ वाटर, कम बैक. ज़्यादा पानी पिएंगे तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू मूव कंफर्टेबली, है ना? तो टाइनी सिप्स ऑफ वाटर until you finish the workout. All right? Okay, let's get ready for the last song. Yes? Come on. Please continue marching. मैं थोड़ा पीछे जाती हूँ so that I have some space to move forward. Now, walk and kick, kick. Go back, kick, kick. Always start with your right leg. Kick, kick. Kick and kick. Last few counts. Kick, kick and back. Okay, now new movement, turn or bounce. Just as a slight bounce कीजिए, forward and back. Now watch my hand. Punch, punch, punch. One more. Punch. Simple है? Same thing on the other side. Bounce. अगर हो सके तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा bounce कीजिए या फिर this is enough. Okay? Now ready? Punch. Punch. 2 more to go. Last one. Back to just marching. आपको first movement पता है? Walk forward, kick and kick. Back again, kick, kick. Okay, back to punches, but only punches. Punch, punch, punch. No bouncing. Just आपका arms move हो रहा है. Other side, slowly. One more. There's no better movement for your upper body than a bit of combat, right? But hum intensely nahi kar rahe. I just want to make sure that even your upper body is engaged in some way. So I'm just adding very simple movements. Even this, you don't have to go with full power, right? Please don't do that. Especially if you have issues with your upper body, don't do that. Just very simple, okay? Alrighty. So we have one last track. Very easy. We'll quickly get into it. Let's get started, please. This is going to be slightly different. Watch my leg, side tap. Now, double tap. Okay? Single, single, double tap. Listen. Single, double tap. Easy, right? अभी आपको punches याद होगा. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double. Let's go. One more. Very easy. Punch, punch. Make sure you stretch your arms as much as you can. Simultaneously, step, step. All right. Continue walking. Breathe in. Breathe out. Only the legs. Single, single, double. बहुत ही simple. Just tap, tap, tap on your toes. Okay, don't use your heel. Can we add hands? Opposite, opposite, double. That's all. Keep going, few more counts. Almost there. 1 and 2. Last one. Continue marching, please. Whoo. Acha. So that was our session. Very easy, very simple movements, correct? So now we will stretch, okay? हम थोड़ा stretch कर लेंगे because after any workout, it's very important that you stretch so that you don't end up with any kind of soreness, or it's in general very, very good to stretch. You feel very nice post that. You'll feel comfortable post your workouts if you actually do stretch, okay? So we will be taking it very slow and easy, don't worry. And we will be doing some very simple stretches, not a lot. Okay, I will use the chair for some of the movements. We'll be starting with our hamstrings, okay? पहले हम leg से start करेंगे, then we'll move on. Hamstrings is the back part of your thigh, right? So you put your heel up. Sorry, your toes are up, your heel is down. You keep your knee soft. Knee soft रखिए और आगे bend कीजिए. You have to feel the stretch in your hamstring, okay? अगर चाहिए तो support लीजिए and go all the way down. If not needed, you can just do it without the support. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other leg. मैं ये support use करूँगी so that you can see how it can be used. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Abhi quads, the front part of your thigh, okay? Again, you can hold on for support all the way up. And just stay there. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other leg, I'm just going to turn slightly so that I can take support. अगर आप notice करेंगे, तो my heel is touching my butt. That will give me that extra stretch, but you don't have to go all the way, but whatever you're comfortable with, sirf wahi tak, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now chest in. We did some upper body movement, so let's stretch it out. Stretch in, push your arms forward and hold it there. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Roll your shoulder blades back. आपका जो fingers है interlock कीजिए और chest open कीजिए. Okay? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Shoulder. जितना हो सके, keep your torso straight. Okay? Don't try to twist your torso with the movement. Keep your torso straight and then just pull your arm closer. आपका जो arm है ना, उसको जितना हो सके अपने chest के पास लेके आइए so that you can feel the stretch. Okay? Wonderful. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other hand. Same thing, repeat. Don't twist your body. Body को twist ना कीजिए. जितना हो सके अपना arm अपने chest के पास लेके आइए और hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gentle pressure. Very easy. Switch. Slowly release. Now look down at your feet. Now all the way up. Gentle pressure. All right. Deep breath. Superb. And that's the end of our session. बहुत बढ़िया, wonderful job. Like I said, this is a very simple, easy-going session. And I know if you're somebody who's a beginner or if you're somebody who's just starting off with your fitness journey, this will be perfect for you, right? Along with yoga, I think it's a great combination, and I'm so glad that you guys joined and completed this session. Superb. Okay, I will be coming back with a lot more session. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Until then, you please take care, eat healthy food, drink plenty of water, okay? Keep yourself hydrated, rest and recover before you take up another workout. Body को बहुत ज़रूरी होता है rest and recovery. उसके बिना आपका muscle भी build नहीं होगा, and you will not be able to give your 100% in any other session. So make sure your recovery is on point, okay? Until next time, you take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.